Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And this morning we're going to talk about the formation flying and the Rigging Madness event. We actually called it Rigging Madness and more, and it was Rigging Madness and Magneto Madness, but we had a lot of people show up for the formation. They had a good time. They even made it to advanced formation studies, which was unusual for a one-day event. So we're going to be probably holding another one. We had 18 folks sign in, and all the folks had a real good time. It was quite a mix of people from Oklahoma, from Maryland, from Florida, from Georgia, from New Jersey, and even some Ohio folks made it to the thing. But anyway, everybody had a really good time. There were times when people spent a lot of time looking at their phones, but then we had some maintenance. We had a voltage problem with a bad jump with an airplane, so the next day people had to replace the relay and the master switch and some wiring so the airplane could be used to be flown home. Also, too, some emblems were found that were for the original AGACs, and we installed them in an AGAC, taking off the plastic covers, making a new owner very happy, having some nice bling in his airplane. So that a lot of maintenance was done. Even a fuel tank vent leak in the AGAC was old scraped off and fixed, and he's on his way. But also, too, we had one bit of fun. Roscoe got to go in water for the first time in 2 years. So thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.